Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Let's Talk Deep. Tonight, we're diving into a tricky question. What's in your partner's phone? Should you check it? Should you trust? Let's find out. Joining me are Sarah, Linda, and David. Are you all ready?
Let's go. Bring it on.
I'm definitely ready for trouble.
Sarah, why do people even feel the need to check their partner's phone?
Because we care. You don't check something you don't care about. Love makes you curious. You want to know everything that's happening in your partner's life. Who's texting? Are they happy? Are they hiding something? It's not always about cheating. Sometimes you just want to feel included.
Linda?
I agree, but often it's about insecurity. Maybe he's distant, maybe he's hiding something, maybe you just need reassurance.
Absolutely. Sometimes people confuse love with control. Checking phones becomes a habit, not an act of love.
Sarah, any real story?
Of course, one time my husband was acting weird for days, always hiding his phone. One night while he was in the shower, I peeked. He was secretly planning a surprise birthday trip for me. I felt awful.
That's actually sweet.
But not everyone finds happy surprises. Sometimes you discover things you wish you hadn't.
Exactly. Like a simple message from a coworker saying, "Thanks for the ride." At 2 a.m., that message suddenly feels suspicious. Your imagination fills in the drama.
Right. Tone doesn't exist in text. Is this about trust or privacy?
Both. Trust means you don't need to check, but love also means openness. If you love me, why hide your phone like a secret vault?
Exactly. If my husband wants my phone, take it. I have nothing to hide.
Hold on. Privacy isn't always about secrets. Everyone deserves personal space, even married people. Looking at someone's phone says, "I don't trust you."
But what if trust was broken before?
Then fix the trust, not check the phone. Healing trust needs communication, not surveillance.
What's the funniest thing you've found?
My husband had hundreds of cat memes hidden in a folder. His secret life was cats.
I once found my boyfriend's phone full of nail salon coupons. Turns out he was secretly planning a spa day surprise for me. I almost suspected he was cheating with the nail salon girl.
My friend thought his girlfriend was cheating. Turns out she was playing online chess with someone in Sweden. Harmless. But his mind created an entire soap opera.
Sometimes imagination is the real problem. Quick honesty test. Have you ever checked your partner's phone? And those who haven't, have you ever wanted to check? See, it's human nature. We're all curious.
Curiosity is natural, but acting on it, that's where trouble starts.
So bottom line, should you check?
If you feel insecure, talk first. If you need to check because you suspect something serious, maybe it's already too late.
If my partner never lets me touch his phone, I feel something's wrong. Openness builds trust. Secrecy builds suspicion.
True love means freedom from fear. If you trust, you don't need evidence.
Beautiful thoughts. So what's in your partner's phone? Maybe cat memes, maybe nail salon coupons, or maybe nothing. The real answer lies in trust, not technology. Thank you, everyone. See you next time on Let's Talk Deep.